Let us look at the demonstration for data hiding. As I have explained you on whiteboard using rectangle class, so I have kept the project open here. There's a rectangle project which we have already done it. A class rectangle which is having properties, length and breadth, and rest of the methods are there, area, perimeter, and it is a square. And the methods are there, area, perimeter, is a square. Now, as I have explained you, we make the properties as private. So we hide the data inside the class. So I will make these properties as private. This is private and this is also private. See, the moment I made this as private, if you look inside this main method where I am creating an object of rectangle and trying to access length and breadth, this has become an error. The error message says that length has private access in rectangle. So I cannot access these properties directly upon an object. This is an object, right? So upon an object I cannot access them because they are made as private. So that's what we have achieved, data hiding. Data is hidden now. Then I said that we make the data accessible through getter and setter method. So I will write down get and set methods for this length and breadth. So just below the properties here I will write down methods. So first method is get length method, and this method should return length. Similarly, I will write down get breadth method. This method should return breadth. So these are getter methods. Next, I will write down setter methods. Setter methods will be void, which don't have to return anything, but they should take some parameter, and that parameter should be assigned to the property. Next, I will write down set breadth method, and breadth is assigned with b. So yes, I have getter methods and setter method. Now if I want to access this property, it is better to call these methods. For writing in the property, call set method. For reading the property, call get method. Now I will take you to main method. Inside main method, here I was setting length and breadth, which is not allowed now because I made length and breadth as private. So the better method of setting length and breadth is, I will remove this and I will write on the code here, r dot set length, and set length is 10.5. Then r dot set breadth, and breadth is 5.5. I have given length and breadth. No, it is not an error. I will run the program. Yes, I got area and perimeter. And is it a square? No, it is false. Next, I will show you by calling get length method. So I will print the length. System.out.println length. I will print length. So call r.get length. So this will give the length of a rectangle and it will be displayed. Now same way I will print breadth also. For breadth, say r.get breadth. So this will print breadth. I will run once again. Yeah, at the end you can find length and breadth are displayed. So I can change the length as well as I can read the length. These methods are for writing or changing the value of length and breadth. These methods are for reading it. Now even inside the class, like here, I have a area method which is multiplying length and breadth to calculate the area. So instead of directly using the property, I can also say get length, get the length multiplied by get breadth. Actually, this method can directly access properties, so you can multiply directly length into breadth, or else if you want, you can call methods also. Now next thing, I was discussing about validation. So I will write down validation part inside length method, set length method. So set length method will take any length and assign it here. But length cannot be negative, so it can take care that if L is greater than or equal to 0, then only assign length as L. Otherwise, if it is less, means assign length as 0. Actually, by default, it will be 0 only, so you can just leave it. Even inside set breadth, I can write the similar condition. If b is greater than or equal to 0, then only assign breadth with B. Otherwise, let it be 0. So else breadth should be assigned with 0. Now come back to the main method. I will change this length, set length to minus 10.5. So it will become 0 because length cannot be negative. We are making it as 0. If it is 0, then area should become 0. But for perimeter, we get 5.5 plus 5.5, two sides only. That will be 11. Let me run and show you. Yes, area has become 0 and perimeter, only two sides are greater than 0. So that is 11. And is square is false. Now here length you can read it as 0.0, that is length is 0 because we have given negative value, and breadth is 5.5. So in this way, this setter method is taking care of validation part also. Apart from that, I have given you the concept that we should not directly access the properties, we should access everything using methods. So these methods are called as property methods. Getter and setter methods are called as property methods. So for every property you can write get method as well as set method. So you practice this, write a program by yourself, complete program. So that's all in this video.